Beautiful.
जीवन सफल हो गया मेरा। बोलो। So it was my life's first audition.
Yeah.
ठीक है, and I have walked in and they said एक character है, it's called नन्हे और आपको रोना है।
TV I have done a lot and
Yeah.
I've thoroughly enjoyed it. As he said, जो schedules है TV के, I thrive on such schedules.
TV पे I was okay with doing comedy, not drama.
It's been great actually. Very honestly, there's no show that I've done and I've been like, shit, क्यों किया?
They said it's a negative role. तो usually मैं negative role सुनते ही मना कर देता था वो टाइम पर भी। I was very sure कि नहीं करना है।
Hello all, this is Vaishnavi from Money Control and we have with us Rishabh, the handsome guy, and Abby, beautiful.
जीवन सफल हो गया मेरा। बोलो।
Did you see how hard it was for her to say handsome?
Because
No, basically she was
second
confused between a few adjectives.
Yeah.
Mesmerizing, charming,
Oh,
handsome.
yeah.
ऐसा
Adorable.
नहीं समझेगी तू।
Yeah.
पहले एक ही बोलते होंगे।
So Rishabh, obviously आपकी वेब सीरीज के बारे में बात करेंगे ही, वेब शो के बारे में बात करेंगे ही, but I want to know about your initial days.
Okay.
Like you both started your career from television. Like आपको तो अलादीन से जानते हैं हम.
Oh my God.
So
You did Aladdin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why did
You
I
didn't
know about
She
this?
knows that, yeah.
You didn't know.
No, I didn't know.
Oh, I followed.
I thought your TV
Aladdin.
debut was with me.
No, are you mad? No.
No, yours was हमसे है live, right?
No,
No, no.
mine was Balaji. It was
Acha.
क्या दिल में है. I
Oh,
was
God.
9X.
15. Yeah.
9X.
Yeah, 2007.
Oh God.
Yeah.
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 Aladdin was crazy.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I want to know about that कि वहाँ से
Crazy
so
story.
लेके यहाँ तक वो सफर there were tough period, initial
yeah.
days, challenges. So कैसा था first ऋषभ?
यार अच्छा इन्होंने पहले ऋषभ बोल दिया ना तभी
Good.
तो-
I'm so
Yeah.
glad. Bana, you'd be like.
घुमा भी नहीं
Yeah.
सकता मैं। Yeah, nothing. I'll tell you this because you know about Aladdin. So it was my life's first audition.
Yeah.
ठीक है, and I have walked in and they said एक character है, it's called नन्हे और आपको रोना है।
What's the character?
नानी
Nanhe.
yeah.
So you have to cry. तो I said ठीक है, और उन्होंने ना कैमरा वैमरा लगा दिया और मैंने बोला मुझे ऑलरेडी बहुत रोना आ रहा था क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा से डर लग रहा था।
और ऋषभ
तो
रोता
मैंने-
बहुत है. If you don't know ना.
हाँ।
और आंसू नहीं गिर रहे.
या
वो
मतलब मैं
रोते
ऐसे
रहता है.
टॉक्सिक मैस्कुलिन नहीं हूँ।
Oh.
रोना आ रहा है रो दो।
रो।
That's my message to everybody out there. If you like
Oh my
crying,
God.
do it. Anyway, तो इसको आदत है वो interrupt करती रहेगी,
Yeah,
but that's all right.
Yeah.
Edit that part. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. Story?
हो गया. मैं बंद
Okay.
हो गई हूँ.
हाँ, तो मेरे को उन्होंने बोला तो मैंने वो ऑडिशन दे दिया और उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि शूटिंग ना बड़ौदा में है। तो तब मुझे नहीं आइडिया था कि बड़ौदा कहाँ है क्या है। तो मैंने बोला हाँ ठीक है कर लेंगे। उन्होंने बोला आपको 12,500 रुपए देंगे हम लोग कुछ 10 दिन के लिए या ऐसे। एंड आई केम होम एंड आई टोल्ड माय डैड कि पापा मैं जा रहा हूँ शूटिंग पे, बड़ौदा में शूटिंग है, मैं निकल रहा हूँ। एंड ही इज लाइक तू कैसे जाएगा? आई वाज 13 इयर्स ऑफ एज। तो इससे तेरे को पता है बड़ौदा कहाँ है? तो ऐसे हाँ मतलब थाने या दादर के थोड़ा आगे होगा ना, इधर ही मतलब इधर ही शूटिंग होगी आसपास में। एंड देन ही अब्यूज्ड मी एंड या ही गॉट वेरी एंग्री कि तू ऐसे अकेले कैसे जा सकता है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। इवेंचुअली ही सेंड समबडी विद मी एंड ऑन द 5th or the 6th day I didn't want to be there, so I went and told the producer, ऐसे मेरे से नहीं होगा and मुझे वापस भेज दो। तो इसे आपको अक्ल भी है क्या? ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता, आपकी शूटिंग हो चुकी है। So that is the first thing I ever did on TV, and then eventually.
Yeah. But do you loved working for TV या
As a
film के लिए
medium-
you were motive था
No,
आपका film में नहीं
100%,
जाना?
100%. I was very clear with what I wanted to do, unless TV पे I was okay with doing comedy, not drama.
Yeah.
And I was very clear with that. Also, I don't know if I can function with the whole TV schedule.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can do one thing for like 1 year or 2 years, and then every day.
Yeah.
I feel like I like doing different projects. So I was very clear.
Yeah.
But then I did films also. Then I did
Yeah.
a lot of stuff for like other platforms and now web.
Yeah.
And then films again.
Yeah. Abby, you like Humse Life. I was a fan of your show. Humse
thank you
Life.
so much. I love that show.
Himansh was opposite
Yes.
yours. Yeah,
Yes.
so how was your journey? अभी तक का इतने projects किए, इतने TV serials किए
Yeah,
आपने.
absolutely.
So how was your journey?
It's been great actually. Very honestly, there's no show that I've done and I've been like, shit, क्यों किया?
Yeah.
Everything teaches you something. Every project I've learned something, picked up something from. So it's been a while. It's been 2007. कितना? 17 years. It's been 17 years. Yeah. And it feels like a blur. Very honestly, like it feels like a blur. TV I've done a lot and I've thoroughly enjoyed it. As he said, जो schedules है TV के, I thrive on such schedules. Like
हाँ.
schedule भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है? Schedule होता है, schedule होता है.
Schedules. schedules.
वैष्णवी जी.
Okay, schedule
ठीक है.
जो टीवी का होता
Yeah,
है.
yeah,
I think I thrive on it. I love it. I love this madness of अरे
Yeah,
घर
yeah.
जा रहे 5 घंटे सो रहे वापस आ रहे. Because I think everyone is so driven and so like passionate about what they're doing. So I've enjoyed
Yeah.
TV. Yes, I obviously want to like you know like अभी बस ये है कि थोड़ा टीवी में बहुत एक repetitive टाइप के रोल्स होने लग गए थे, which is why I want to break away from that to just do something different. But very honestly, TV has been amazing to me. So I totally
इनिशियल
loved it.
डेज में रिजेक्शन काफी मिलता है. लाइक हम लोग को भी इनिशियल डेज में हमारे इंटर्नशिप इसमें बहुत रिजेक्शन मिले हैं कि आप मत आना या फिर आप ठीक नहीं लग रहे हो.
Yeah.
सो आपके यहाँ पे रिजेक्शन कितना स्टार्टिंग में था? ऋषभ, आई थिंक ऋषभ के पास बहुत आंसर्स है मेरे सवाल में.
Why you think he's been rejected a lot?
No, I feel like,
Because he was like, I want to talk.
no, I just
That's
feel like
in
sometimes.
general.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is true. But no, I just feel like I don't resonate with the idea of glamorizing struggle in any way.
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ठीक है,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
all right.
It's
And
a
yes, of course,
part of.
rejection is a part and parcel.
Yeah.
But having said that, हाँ मतलब there has been rejection.
Worst rejection क्या था ऋषभ?
Worst.
Worst.
Oh God, there's a film
Okay.
which happened recently. Okay.
It is released.
नहीं, it's about to release.
अच्छा.
I don't even know how much I can say about that film.
अच्छा.
But of course, I have cried. It was a film with Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
I know, God, I've
Oh.
prepped for like a week or so, and I was so excited. Just when they called me, ना, मेरे लिए उतना ही काफी था. Just the fact that I was considered for something like that. Great role. And then eventually, Mukesh Chhabra sir said that somebody else is. No.
Oh God.
उस रात पे बहुत रोया.
Oh God.
But it's okay.
उस
So that is the
Yeah.
Nice. I like how you got it. हाँ.
Yeah.
मैंने 2 बजे तक किया वो है ना?
Yeah.
हाँ.
फिर
So
अगले
yeah,
दिन
that.
मोहल्ले में ऐश्वर्या आई.
खैर, उसके बाद divorce आ गया. तो
ये तो डिवोर्स आ गया.
Yeah.
But that is the worst rejection till date. I still feel bad about it. It's okay.
Yeah.
सो प्रिपरेशन एज इन आपने क्या किया था? लाइक क्या बुरा लगा कि यार मैंने इतना किया था ये नहीं हो पाया?
Yeah, I nailed it.
ऑलमोस्ट.
नहीं, I nailed it.
अच्छा.
100%.
या कहीं उनसे गलती हो गई.
हाँ, देखने में.
वो देखने में परखने
या,
में.
परखने में.
उनसे
वो
गलती हो
जॉरी
गई.
सही नहीं था.
Yeah.
No, I think I was phenomenal.
Yeah.
A lot of the team members thought I was very good, guys. What?
I was phenomenal. I just love how you say that.
One minute. See, the thing is that if I do a bad performance,
Yeah.
I am very clear and honest about
Yeah.
that also.
I was very
कि यार
bad
नहीं
at
यार ये
it.
बहुत बुरा था,
हाँ,
अच्छा
yeah.
नहीं किया, मैं एक और करता हूँ.
Yeah.
तो अगर मैं अपने आप को इस तरह
That's
से
him.
गिरा रहा हूँ तो सराहूँ क्यों नहीं?
ट्रू.
मतलब क्या जिंदगी और वेट करते रहेंगे कि कुछ लोग
तूने
अच्छा
अपने आप को
बनेंगे.
कहीं नहीं गिराया है. I just want to
I
say
thought I was very bad in cough.
we're not supposed to talk about other shows.
Oh.
Okay.
So Abby, you tell me about rejections or failures or
Yeah.
anything ऐसे कुछ experience किया होगा
बहुत.
आपने कभी?
Yeah. Rejection तो बहुत हुआ है. Like I really don't take it so seriously because when I started working, I was 15 and I did a lead for Balaji. It was never in the plans. It was never something that I thought I'd do in my life. But हो गया. तो I just kind of somehow from there I've just realized that जो है आपकी किस्मत में वो आपको आएगा.
Yeah.
Rejection maybe इस वक्त momentarily बुरा लगेगा, but in the long run you realize that ठीक है, this didn't happen for this reason.
Yeah.
So I don't really let it get to me because the minute as an actor if you start feeling bad about getting rejected, now you're like screwed. Then you're going to just like constantly be like sad. So I think you just have to क्या बोलते take it with a pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt.
Yes.
Yeah. So आपके शो के तरफ आ जाते हैं.
हाँ जी,
डिवोर्स के लिए
please.
कुछ भी करेगा.
Yes, please.
So इतने सारा चैलेंजेस है आपकी जिंदगी में हुए हैं, इतने सालों से आप काम कर रहे हैं दैट पीपल डोंट नो कि ऋषभ फेम ऋषभ पता है, बट ऋषभ ने पहले भी बहुत काम किया है.
Yeah.
एबी ने पहले भी बहुत काम किया है.
Yeah. Like as people didn't know before
Yeah.
हमसे life I've done Balaji like
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
But I
So-
think that is irrespective. Na this
Yeah.
show is like very different from at least what I've done.
Yeah.
So I think it's okay even if they don't know it. I would prefer that you know they just kind of see it with a total fresh perspective.
Yeah.
So I'm good with that. I don't think it matters ना आपने क्या पहले काम किया,
Yeah.
इसमें कैसा काम किया. I think that's what always matters.
True. सो शो के बारे में आप दोनों को पहले पता था कि you do you know कि एबी है आपके साथ, क्योंकि इतनी सॉलिड फ्रेंडशिप.
Oh God, guys,
this is the moment.
wait.
Drum rolls डालना है.
Yeah.
ठीक है. हाँ. अभी मैं ये कहानी मैं नहीं बोलूँगा. ये कहानी जो
नहीं
है.
ये तू ही अच्छा बोलता
नहीं.
है.
फिर तू बोलेगी ये बना रहा है. तो यही सच
वो
बोलना
तो मैं
आपको.
वैसे भी बोलूंगी.
नहीं तू बोल. Perfect.
So guys, I
तो आपको पता था ऋषभ?
नहीं अरे सुनो तो
अच्छा,
सही.
okay.
अरे अभी आप.
So Rishabh had auditioned with he was I think locked way before I came
Acha,
to the picture.
okay.
So he did an audition with a few people and stuff, and then he calls me up one night and he's like, "ये एक show है and ऐसा है रात को, it was Saturday night, I still remember."
Okay.
And he was like, "कल तू आजा, audition करेंगे ये वो ऐसे mad show, very good script." And
Yeah.
Rishabh being Rishabh, he was like,
Yeah.
"So yes, I got this show because of Rishabh. Are you happy? Yeah,
Wow.
is it worth it?"
पर इसने बहुत bland way में बताया है.
Yeah.
I know
इसके
you're
बहुत
better,
time.
na? You're
So
better.
basically, we tested with a few actors, and of course,
Yeah,
they were great as well.
Yeah.
But when they told me the script and everything, then I was like, कभी-कभी अच्छा नहीं लगता ना कि
Yeah,
आप
yeah.
recommend करो.
हाँ,
तो ऐसा लगता है ना कि यार I'm not trying to be like,
वही
you know, but I still think that अगर
Favor
script को
कर,
हाँ
हाँ.
script को help करता है, if my director likes the
Yeah,
performance, then I should give a name that is. And the truth is that I genuinely go and tell any director or pitch Abby's name to all directors who are
Yeah.
looking for a good actor. If you're looking for a good actor, then I have to take Abby's name.
Yeah.
So I told Ankush sir, I said, sir, please just try once
Yeah.
and she will nail it. अब ये बोल दिया मैंने.
yeah.
फिर मैंने उसको ऐसे देख मैंने तो ये बोल दिया है.
अभी तो वो देख ले.
तो फिर तू भी प्लीज फिगर आउट कर, तेरे को चाहिए तो मैं अभी घर आता हूँ रिहर्सल करते हैं.
Yeah.
Yeah.
पर तू प्लीज मेक श्योर कर कि अगर मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि तू बहुत बाप परफॉर्म करती है तो अगले
अभी
दिन
तो करना ही
He
पड़ेगा.
was like, मेरी नाक मत कटाना, मेरी
Yeah.
इज्जत का सवाल है. I was like, oh my god, so much pressure. I remember reading the scene for the first time with Rishabh,
Yeah.
and it just felt so natural, like
Yeah.
you know, behaving like that with him. So I think
Yeah.
we already had that kind of a dynamic going on, which just helped us with the shooting part of it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And Rishabh, you said कि comedy एक genre ऐसा है जो आपको पसंद है, but still you signed Drishyam and Drishyam में वो एक serious role, वो कैसे decision था? Like I want to know
Honest
about
truth.
it. Yeah.
एकदम.
Yeah.
They called me for the film.
Hmm.
Vicky Sirana sir was casting for the film and they said it's a negative role. तो usually मैं negative role सुनते ही मना कर देता था वो टाइम पर भी. I was very sure कि नहीं करना है. But it was a film, right? The only thing I have told myself is that Shah Rukh Khan had done a negative role
Yeah.
in his first film or first few films,
Yeah.
right? So if he's done it, you must do it because I'm a fan, like an absolute fan. ठीक है? तो मैं गया हूँ, मैंने ऑडिशन दिया है 10 or 15 minutes. I didn't even, honestly बताऊँ, मुझे ये पता भी नहीं था कि ये जो वीडियो बनता है ये सब होता है, ये मुझे नहीं पता था.
Okay.
ये सच है.
Okay.
तो शायद मैं कोई अलग डिसीजन लेता, बट मुझे नहीं पता था. एंड विद इन 10 minutes ऑफ ऑडिशनिंग फॉर इट आई हैव गॉट अ कॉल सेइंग दैट यू हैव बीन कंफर्म्ड. सिर्फ इतना बता दो कि पैसे कितने दोगे. एंड आई सेड
Great.
फिल्म है, जितने दे दोगे ले
Wow.
लेंगे.
Yeah.
So Abby, आपने फिल्म देखी थी? So
Yeah,
you
the
were,
funny thing is that he
Yeah.
didn't tell me. Okay, so
Okay.
after we shot, you didn't tell me you had done Drishyam. I saw it and then I called you.
Oh,
I saw
don't know.
Drishyam and then I'm watching it, and suddenly Rishabh comes. I was like, oh, Rishabh, and then suddenly it just gets very dark very fast.
Yeah.
And I remember telling my mom, she was sitting next to me, I'm like, Mummy, this is Rishabh, we work together. And then suddenly
Yeah.
he's like filming women and stuff. I was like, he's not like that,
God.
Mom. But it was very, very honest. I think
Yeah.
you can, that says a lot about an actor, you know, when he has to portray something that he's absolutely not.
Yeah.
So I think he did a good job with that. Because
Yeah.
he looked so kamina, na?
Very.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
मेरी तारीफ करने के टाइम में तो स्ट्रिंजेंट क्यों हो जाती है?
I don't know,
बुराई तो
just
इतनी
very
करती है कि
but
पूछ मत.
that's again normal.
क्या इतना नमक बराबर?
नहीं
और
बहुत
बुराई
बहुत
शक्कर
ही
बराबर.
अच्छी एक्टिंग की है ऋषभ ने. मतलब इन दिस शो आल्सो
अभी तो फोर्स लग रहा है ना, थोड़ा नेचुरल तो कर.
तो इस
इसके बाद वाले में करेंगे,
Yeah,
ठीक है,
इसके
अच्छे
बाद
से.
वाले में.
आज
I'll
ऐसे
try
ऐसे देखिए, ऐसे करूंगा तो तू तारीफ कर.
it. ठीक है.
So Abby and Rishabh, divorce like very एक serious concept है अभी भी इंडिया में. But आप लोगों ने ये शो के दौरान वो लाइट हार्टेड वे कॉमेडी कर दी है कि जैसे से सब्जेक्ट का यही चला गया है. जैसे एक सीरियस मोड में हम देखते हैं डिवोर्स होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा, बट यहाँ तो हम हंस रहे हैं. So
या तो हम हंस रहे हैं. I love it.
क्या मत
I
बोलो,
loved it.
क्या लैंड हुआ है.
या तो हम हंस रहे हैं. ऐसे कैसे कर दिया?
तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए ऋषभ आपका प्यार था कि ये नया कुछ है, यहाँ से
I was
स्टार्ट
sold at the title. मतलब I absolutely
Yeah.
love the title. I think it's written very, very, very well. Yeah, and यार हमने वो seriousness है, ऐसा नहीं है कि it's not there. It's there, but in the entire process of the divorce also ना, when you go through that process, you realize that it's a great way to even inculcate or relive the moments of love that you have for each other. Sometimes you need distance to realize how much you love somebody.
Yeah. And Abby, you like
सारी चीजें तो बोल दी इसने.
so you tell me about what is the definition love and divorce.
What is the definition of love
What
and
do you
divorce?
think,
Oh
like,
my God.
love
इंटेलेक्चुअल
and
सवाल क्यों पूछ रही?
Yeah,
इंटेलेक्चुअल
please, intellectual.
नॉनसेंस.
Yeah,
She
absolutely.
can talk about it.
I
You
was
want to
just-
see? 1 minute. Answer.
No, I don't want to do this.
बताइए.
I wanna
We
go.
must find the
we
reason.
must find the-
you can talk about love also ना कि love के लिए कुछ भी
Yeah,
आपने क्या
you've
किया
been
है
in a
love के लिए.
relationship for so dog years now.
Yeah.
So then I'm sure you can talk about
Yeah.
love.
Yeah, but very honestly, love for me na is a very simple concept. I don't really, the reason मैं कभी ज्ञान भी नहीं देती हूँ love work के बारे में, because I think it's a very simple concept, just accepting each other for how they are. So I don't think there's anything above and beyond that. It is as basic as that. So मैं अभी ज्ञान तो नहीं दूंगी love
कल
में.
तो तू बोल रही थी कि मैंने सनम को इतना चेंज किया कि
वो मजाक कर रहे थे यार हम. It was a
बोलो.
joke. सनम ने मुझे change किया. We all know it. Don't you remember me 12 years ago?
You to answer ना कि क्या है love की परिभाषा क्या है for
प्यार.
you.
Yeah.
प्यार
प्यार
दोस्ती है.
I knew.
Love is friendship.
शाहरुख खान ना.
What is love? Wow. I know. I think it's an
नहीं
extremely,
बोल रहा intellectual.
extremely strong feeling,
Yeah.
and it's not explainable. Basically, for me, if I cannot find a reason to actually love you, that's enough
Yeah.
for me to feel that I love you. There's no reason to love.
So depth.
Yeah, I'm telling you, he's
Yeah.
very
अरे guys, पूरा
अभी
reverse.
शायरी भी बोलेगा थोड़ा टाइम दो उसको थोड़ा माहौल बनाओ go for it Richa
अरे नहीं यार.
Yeah.
My shairis are more about what do you call unrequited love. वो मोहब्बत जो हासिल ना कर पाए. वो वाला
Wow.
सब. It's okay. So sad version of me.
So
Yeah, yeah.
my last question कि आपका वेब शो आ रहा है Z5 पे
Yes,
आ रहा है.
yes.
yes
Then क्या कहना चाहेंगे आपके व्यूअर्स के लिए, आपके फैंस के लिए जो वेट कर रहे थे कि ऐसा एक पेयर, एक न्यू पेयर, फ्रेश पेयर, एक नए सब्जेक्ट के साथ आए. So what do you think?
गाइस हमारा शो आ रहा है डिवोर्स के लिए कुछ भी करेगा ऑन Z5 तो प्लीज हमारा शो देखिए क्योंकि हमने बहुत मेहनत की एंड वी पुट इन सो मच हार्ट इन दिस शो एंड वी हैड so much fun shooting it so I guess that you'll also have a lot of fun watching it तो बोल ना कुछ
No, I'm listening. कितना अच्छा बोल रही है यार.
ना बस
मैं और रश्मि भी दोनों सुन
यहाँ
रहे थे.
दिख-
अच्छा
दिख
लगा
रहे
हमको.
हाँ हाँ तो तुझे
No,
कुछ
no.
बोलना नहीं है
Yeah, so this is my second gig with Z5. इससे
Yeah.
पहले I did like another comedy, horror comedy called Bhootpurva, and now I'm doing this romantic comedy. So yeah, I just hope that I keep.
and he's
working
not
with
doing
these guys.
creepy things like he was doing in Drishyam so guys please watch it for
See,
that
this is below the belt humor. I
Oh,
don't
God.
enjoy. इसको बोल के
इतनी
नहीं आया.
बातें हो रही है अभी उसके
पर-
बारे में मैं एक लाइन नहीं बोल
नहीं,
सकती
पर
पहले
दूसरे-
बोल हमारा शो
अपने-
देखने के लिए ऋषभ
Okay. Hi guys, my name is Rishabh
Z5
Chadha,
पे
and
Yeah.
हमारा शो आ रहा है डिवोर्स के लिए कुछ भी करेगा only on Z5. So please watch.
as you can guess it was so much fun shooting with Rishabh बस यही लाइन बोलनी थी
With
बस
her, don't guess. It was bad.
Thank you so much guys.
Thank
And
you.
we are very proud of your journey and
Thank
all the
you.
best to you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much